A noticeable shift is happening in the Southeast Asian corporate world as numerous major companies are moving parts of their operations from Singapore to Malaysia. Big names like the apparel brand H&M, along with the beverage giant Heineken, have recently announced plans to relocate some of their regional hubs and manufacturing centers. Experts say this is driven by rising costs in Singapore and the need for cheaper rents, lower wages, and more space. While Singapore remains highly attractive for research and high-level decision-making, Malaysia is offering significant tax incentives and the industrial land space that these growing companies urgently need. Global financial markets are reacting sharply following the United States military strikes in Iran. Tensions in the Middle East have caused oil prices to surge, with United States crude oil climbing nearly 2% to almost $90 per barrel. Brent crude also rose past $92. Experts warn that if the fighting continues, oil could eventually hit $150 per barrel in the coming months. The escalating conflict has also rattled Wall Street. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted by more than 600 points as investors worry about the broader economic impact of the situation. Wall Street is bracing for the highly anticipated initial public offering of Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, better known as SpaceX. The stock will begin trading this Friday, creating an unprecedented challenge for financial professionals who want to hedge their investments. Because there is no other publicly traded company operating in the space launch business at such a massive scale, traders are struggling to find comparable stocks to balance their risk. As one prominent investor joked, you cannot exactly short the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Experts predict a volatile opening week with wide price swings as the market tries to value this unique space company.